Hey, this is here from MyHackerSol.com. Today we're gonna look at Android context. You all have been using the context since the beginning. Probably didn't have to go deep into the code, into how it works and what it's meant for. It actually does lots of stuff for us, like getting localized strings, getting all the resources from the REST directory, starting activities, starting services, broadcasts, sending broadcasts, registering broadcast receivers, and all of that is actually comes from the context. But since the activities and fragments they extend the context, you might not even notice that you're calling it from the context. Let's see, for example, what happens when you call getString in activity. That's the context method. This context implementation class has asset manager instance in here, and which leads to this method getResourceValue from asset manager class, and it calls some native methods in C++, like this load resource value, this method. So it's a huge framework, and same comes for starting activity, same context methods. Calling this main thread instrumentation exec start activity. And even toast requires it to provide the context, because one of its method takes string resource ID, which, and as we know, you use context to extract localized string from resources, and another reason is that it gets the package ID from the context. One more thing is that there is an application context and the activity context. Activity 1 are destroyed after each activity, and the application is static, which lives across the activity, and that's why you should use the static one for your own singletons, so that you don't get a null pointer. Yeah, it's hard to cover all this stuff. It's a huge framework. Alright, thanks for watching.